You may decide to mute assignments or quizzes in Canvas. The two primary reasons for doing this are one, to make sure that students don't receive repeated notifications as you're working through grading a quiz, and two, to make sure that they don't have access to the answers until all students have submitted, and then you can unmute or release the answers to everyone all at once. I'm going to mute two assignments here. The easiest way to do that is to go to the drop-down option here and choose mute assignment. Now this particular assignment has already been submitted. I don't want students to be able to see when I'm updating the grades, so I'm muting this assignment. Sample quiz 2 has not been submitted yet, so I'm going to go ahead and mute this assignment so that students will not have access to the answers until everyone is submitted and I can release that to everyone at once. You might find it easier to make sure that all of your assignments and quizzes are muted in the gradebook at the beginning of the semester before you publish your course. You can now see in sample quiz 1, I've completed the grading for this quiz and I want to release the grades to the students. One thing that I can do is go to the drop-down menu again and unmute the assignment, or I can go to the specific assignment itself to Speed Grader. For example, say I've finished the last assignment, I can go through and right here, I can just click this and it will unmute the assignment. And if students have their notifications set up, they'll get a notification that the assignment and all comments are released to them.